What the hell? Dude, I'm scared out of my mind right now. Holy shit. What the fuck, man? I gotta get the hell out of here. Guys, I'm scared. They're everywhere. Oh shit, there's more. Oh god. Oh god. Guys, it's probably the last time I'll see you guys. So, you know what? I'm done. I'm done. I'm done. I'm done, guys. I can't do this anymore.